Greetings, beautiful golden famille. I am a Richard, and this is just a little baby short video to say that tomorrow, Friday, June the 12th, we will be going live. Honey and Richard live Fridays for episode 10 here on our channel. So there's no big premiere, there's no big hoopla, because as you know, it doesn't really work for Richard. I'm going from Zoom to YouTube for a premiere. I've always screwed that up. So all you got to do is mark it in your calendar, your agenda. So again, it'll be tomorrow, Friday, June the 12th, 3 p.m. Eastern Time on our channel. So bring your yum yum bubble gum, bring your questions, and we're gonna rock and roll. I love you with all of my heart. Have a blissed kind of a day. Bye, boo-boos.